What they do, what they do.
It's the Tiffany's and bottles and bubbles. Girls with tattoos feel like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Bruce and ratchet, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and not strings. Write my own text like I write what I sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big.
What's up, what's good, what's poppin'? It's your girl Tyranny, and we're back with another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be taking you guys with me when I open up my business account, because it's time to get official. If you guys did not know, I officially have my LLC. If you guys want to know how I did that, then go ahead and comment down below and let me know. But anyways, we're going to open up a bank account today, period. So I'm gonna go and ask some questions for y'all so y'all can see what y'all would need to open y'all business account, and then also find out why it's important to register your business with the state that you're located in, and why it's important to do these legal matters pertaining to your business. And then after that, I'm gonna be letting you guys watch me make and fill body wash. So yeah, it's a quick little vlog, nothing crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and at the very end of this video, stay tuned so that you can see my full and complete promo video. So yeah, a lot of interesting things are coming. Make sure y'all follow my business page at Lavish Boutique on Instagram. Follow us on Twitter at Lav Boutique. Follow my personal Instagram at The Official Ty Renee. Follow me on Twitter at Real Ty Renee. Period. You don't want to miss out. You don't want to be left behind, because we are going freaking bozo, and this new collection is gonna go insane. These lashes, if y'all are interested, will be a part of this new launch and this new collection. So just make sure y'all stay up to date. Shop Lavish Boutique. Period. Lavish Boutique by LuxuryLord.com, and that's on that. So yes, go ahead and keep watching, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. All right, y'all, so I'm here. I'm just gonna put my mask on. Period. Still cute, poo. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside. Hi. I'm good. How are you? Okay. So yeah, really just like if they wanted to open a business account, how would that work? Like, what do they need to do to open one?
So that's a really broad question. It really depends on what type of business they're going to open. So for an example, if it was an LLC, here at our bank, we would need certain documentation. So we would need, if you're doing business in Florida, we would need it to be filled out and registered underneath SunBiz. And then the owners of that business would need to come in and open an account, or sign a form beforehand to open the account. If it was a corporation or something like that, then it's a little bit simpler. Just the president or the secretary could come in to open the account. But basically, just like how you opened your account and you started your legal information, they would have to do the same thing. Once that's set in place, then they could come in, we'll show the proper documentation, and then we will be able to open it.
Okay. And then what's the difference between a personal account and a business account? Like, why is it important to have?
Yeah, that's a good question. So with personal accounts, it's going to be your personal asset. So that's like just your information. When you own your own business for tax purposes, you may get an EIN number, which you want to keep your business and your personal information separate. So whenever you go to file taxes, you can do your write-offs, or you can just file them separately. You don't want to commingle your personal assets with your business assets.
Okay. And are there fees with having a business account?
There could be. It depends on what type of a business account you get into. So lots of banks have different types of accounts. At this bank, we do have a couple different accounts, but depending on the amounts and the transactions you do in your business account, you could incur fees.
Okay. And so that's what, for mine, do I have that, or like do I have to maintain a certain amount in the accounts?
So for yours specifically, the account that you're in, you would have to have a certain balance in it every day to not incur a one-time monthly service fee.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Period, Pooh. We're official. We officially got our business account. We officially are LLC. It feels so good to see LLC next to my business name, y'all. Anyway, what happened when I was in there, very straightforward. I have a savings and a check-ins, and the reason why I did that, and this is my advice to you guys, I want to be able to like in my business account, I want to be able to separate my funds. So in the check-in, I want all the money that comes in from my website and any sales that I do in person or anything like that, I want that money to go into the check-ins account altogether. So then when it's in there, I will at the end of the month go through the money that I made and then separate my profit from the money that needs to go back into my business. So I will do the numbers that I do to check what my revenue is, what my money is, my profit that I made from my sales, and then the profit I will take and put that then into my business savings account so that I can see my personal money from my business money all in one area. So if that's something that y'all can do, go ahead and do that. I'm happy that she was able to get me in today instead of tomorrow. Yeah, and plus tomorrow is complete grind time. Like, I have so much to do in preparation for this launch, and I'm already getting requests for, like, people already trying to, like, let's time, I know you finna sell out, I know you finna sell out, so let me get my little order in early, let me let you know what I want. So it's gonna go crazy. I'm excited. If y'all aren't following the business page, make sure y'all follow, because I need to get my followers up on that page. Follow Lavish Boutique on Instagram, and follow me on Instagram because I do post a lot on there too at the official Ty Renee. Pure as out love. And on Twitter, follow us at Lav Boutique and Real Ty Renee. Period. I'm going to get back on here later as soon as I get home, but like I said, I'm about to go find something to eat really quick and I'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so it's pretty late right now, but I'm about to whip up the body washes. I finally solidified my final 5 smells for the washes, so I'm gonna show y'all what I already have. These are the men body wash. This is the blue one, and this is the red one. These are the colors, so y'all can see. All of them are transparent. I'm gonna hold it down here so y'all can see better what they look like. They need to be filled up some more, but these are gonna be used for product pictures and stuff like that. So yeah. And then this is a body oil for the women. So I'm gonna add fragrance to this one tonight. So these are the 5. Let me make one more. So this is the work we have cut out for us for tonight. Period. So I'm gonna just go ahead and get that done. I'm wearing my mask and everything's been sanitized already. So I'm just gonna let y'all watch as I go. 10%. So I'm gonna wrap the video up here. Y'all watch me do 3 of them. I'm probably gonna finish the other 4 off camera. But that's it for today. I don't think I want to spoil the reveal for everything, so I think I showed y'all enough. Alright y'all, so this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you made it this far, just know I love you, and I appreciate you guys. I really do. Every subscribe, every like, all of that matters. I really appreciate every single one of y'all. And then I'll be having more business stuff up on the website for you guys, like wholesale pipettes and tubes, things like that, syringes. All that will be up soon. And then go ahead and book your one-on-one consultation, boo. I know you want to, so don't play. I want to show y'all the end result for these, but at the same time, I don't want to spoil my release. So if you want sneak peeks of what it is that I'm doing for the collection that's launching on Wednesday, the Lavish Islands collection, make sure you follow us again, like I said, because you probably still ain't do it, and the link is down below. Like, you don't even gotta search. Go on my description bar, click the link, hit follow, period, and add me so I know that you're from YouTube, so I can shout you out, because I appreciate every last one of my subscribers and I love all y'all. Lavish gang is dead. We going up, period. So yeah, it's like 10 something right now, almost 11. So we had a pretty successful day. I'm gonna edit this video and post it, and it should be up tomorrow. I'm hoping by 12 p.m. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog, and then I will see y'all on launch day on Wednesday. But I may or may not in this video post the Lavish Islands promo. I think I am though. So this is probably the end. If not, then stay tuned. Bye y'all.
Yo, nice to meet you. How you? We taking trips.